Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to teach you how to publish right here your island. So we're going to make that public with a code so everybody can load up your island right here. So first of all, you have to make an island. Once you make that, let me just load it in. So here's the one that I made. I did publish it once. I do have another one that I didn't publish yet. However, we're going to go right into it. So you set your portal. That's the first thing you should do. And then from there, once you go into your island, so it's all done, I can go right into it and then we're going to publish it. So right now, what we have to do is triangle, arrow up, we're going to see this. So under my island settings, there's a few options. So before we go on to publish this, which by the way, you need a creator code in order to do that. So make sure you have a creator code before you even have the option to publish it, or else you will not see the option down here. Go into your description. Right here in your description, fill all this up. So for example, this is a tilted somewhere. I filled all this up. Fill in your tags down here below. Make sure there's 4 of them. If you want to, you can set a picture. So I did set a picture right now. And under permissions, well, that doesn't really matter. What actually does matter is go into settings and then go to game. Under game, make sure right here, matchmaking privacy. This is something that you will not be able to change later on. So make it public. Make it public only if you want others to be able to put in your code into their game and then they can load up your map. However, if you change it to private, that means no one else can actually load up your map. Does public mean other people can edit your map? No. It just means other people can go into your map, which is most likely what you guys want to do. You want your friends to load up your map and use maybe your creator code as well. Anyways, right now, before we do anything, I usually suggest making a backup of your island just in case. However, right now we're all ready. We're going to go ahead, press publish. Now make sure to type in the title, type in a description down here below, and then we can go on, hit publish. And there you go. That's it. It might take just a few seconds to load in. You're gonna see right here your code. So just copy over those numbers. Once you copy over those numbers, let me just copy them to my clipboard. I'm gonna go back. Now let's go all the way back into the hub. And in the hub, I'm gonna load in this map. And right now, anybody actually that you give this code into, they can load it up in their own hub so they can play your game. So once we are done that, let's just go right here. We're gonna go and enter the code. So let's just start up typing our code. Did begin with a 25. So here's the one that I did. I also took a screenshot just in case. So it is 254255234985. Once I type that in, I can just go down here, press done. I can press accept, and it's gonna load it in. So again, that's different than here. This is your portal. This is where you make maps. You can edit them. You can publish them. That's a different thing than here. Here is where anybody can use your code. So even you guys are watching this video right now can actually use my code and check out the map. It's pretty neat. Also want to highlight that yes, you can actually make edits on your map. So not by going here. So if I go here, I start playing the game, but I can actually make edits on my map as long as I set my portal to that map. So right here, I can always go into my map, change things. So let's say something I don't like about the zone itself. Maybe it's moving too fast or too slow. I can go on, set that up, make those changes, publish it again, and it's going to be the same code again. So the code will not change. It's always going to stay the same. All people might see is a different version. So instead of version 1, maybe version 2, version 3, depending how many edits you make. So anytime you make an edit, always publish it again. It's going to be the same code so everybody can keep using it. It's going to keep updating. So right now we can go right into it and check it out. So here we go. We can just start the game. It's just going to be like any other game, depending what you guys made. So here we go. Here's the map. Obviously, this map, for example, needs a few changes still. But other than that, everything should be working just fine. So this is a small tilted somewhere. And I do want to highlight again that you can make any edits in your own island. Publish this again, and then people will be able to play your updated map. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.